Hello, this is Ray Kapuska from Rainimation, the animation videos for huge profits. And in this video, I will be covering two things. I'll be actually showing you step by step two things. One is how to put YouTube ads for 1 cent a click, meaning your videos when you advertise would cost you only 1 cent a click. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. And the second thing would be clickable external links on your YouTube videos. And this is basically where you have a YouTube video, it's embedded on your website or it's on the YouTube itself, and you have a clickable link on the video itself that takes your audiences to your website, which most of the videos don't have. So I'll be showing you how to do that. By the way, I just wanted to show you an example. So let's just see. So I put in YouTube, for example, make money online. And then here it is. I have, as you can see, I have YouTube ads here on the yellow, and then also on the right hand side. Now sometimes there is featured video, so you have to be also careful, not to confuse those. So ads is on the yellow or on the right hand side. And then sometimes it's featured, so it's not the same. All right, so this is how basically you put yourself. So imagine on YouTube, if somebody else puts make money online and you have 1 cent a click, right? Now to show it doesn't cost anything. So it's just 1 cent a click to be on the first page of YouTube. Okay, that's how powerful it is. It's actually for free. If somebody clicks, it's 1 cent. Okay, and we can also send them to channel page, which basically 1 cent a click can turn into maybe 5 or 4 clicks or views on your videos. All right, so let's see another example of the external links. So this is normal YouTube window, and here is basically the overlay that we've been able to put on external. If I put, as you see, easy web video, but I have this affiliate link actually. So if I click that, as you can see, it takes me to the easy web video page. Okay, put it into actual size. So that's how easy it is. By the way, at the end of the video, when they watch the video, that's it. So you can see also it appears on here too. Now it doesn't show on the full, video, but it actually shows about 15 seconds, and then when it's down, there's actually this small button that if you press, it pops up. Okay, so that's how you can put external link on your videos. So let's dive into that. So YouTube ads and then an external link. So first of all, steps. This is for creating the YouTube clickable ads. So first of all, we need to find keywords. So we will find the keywords that we will be advertising for. We can then create the AdWords campaign, and then we create external links on the YouTube videos. So that's basically a flow. First of all, I assume that you already have YouTube account, you have a YouTube video that you want to promote, and you also have an AdWords account set up. Right? So if you don't, just go to just type in AdWords into Google, or go to YouTube, and then you will be able to do those. So before you do this, AdWords account, YouTube account, and YouTube video already uploaded, and let's find the keywords first. Okay, so if we would go to Google, type in YouTube keyword tool, okay, and it will have the first result. So when we go to YouTube keyword tool, we choose English, choose United States. This is what I would suggest. And then let's say we are in the industry of let's say this is quite easy, but make money, or like online business, basically home-based business, for example, home-based business. Let's say we have business opportunity that we're offering them. Okay, so what we do is we put keyword ideas And here's interesting. Here is where the key to this is. So we have, let's say, home-based business. Now we have 96703. Okay, so if I go to YouTube and if I type this in, suddenly it just shows something that is unrelated to the home-based business. And then we have also like something like Singapore Cyberwise, Blog MLM Business, Echo Green Systems, etc., etc. Okay, now take a look at this. So it says keywords related to terms entered and sorted by relevance. And what it means basically, YouTube, it's different than Google. Google is everything about the relevancy, etc., etc., which basically is keyword density, which means, if a home-based business, then MLM, home business, etc., etc. In YouTube, it's different. Like, imagine, for example, how many times you watch a video about make money online, and then suddenly 10 minutes after that you watch funny dogs eating whatever, right? That's how YouTube works. It's not about the keywords, it's about the interest, and then it's all about the pictures that, the videos, the pictures that people are interested. So that's how it goes. So as you can see, like we have like CPR crash, home shows, and etc., etc. So what we do, and we will add about maybe 2,000, maybe even more keywords. Okay, so if I do add all 99, okay, and then I can do the search again. So get keyword ideas. Let me just see. I think it might be that it will be duplicatable, but just see. But basically what we need to do is we need to generate some keyword ideas for ourselves, and then generate a lot of them to add into our account. Okay, so let's say make money from home. Okay, and as you can see again, some of them they don't have enough data, but some of them like how to scam, close to home, and etc., etc. But it doesn't really make sense when you do that. But when you have all those keywords loaded, basically it's everything related to that term. Okay, and you can actually choose YouTube video URL and put it here, and it will generate other keywords ideas related to that specific video. Okay, so make money from home. Money making. Let's say just money making. Okay, and we can do that, over and over again with different keywords. We can actually generate those ideas from Google AdWords keyword tool. So make money, run, escape, and making money, etc., etc. Right? So let's add those. And what we'll do now is we will save the list. Here it is. So we can save it as a text document. So I'm saving it as a text document. And here it is. We just downloaded a YouTube keyword list. Okay, so here is our full list of keywords. Okay, so once we have the keyword list, as you can see, we have to go into creating AdWords campaigns. So this will be about creating AdWords campaigns. All right, and let's go to my AdWords account. And actually, just recently got this account suspended. So, what interesting that the YouTube ads won't run, but even if my account is suspended, so I don't have any ads running, I can still add the links to my videos on YouTube. So, external links, as I showed you. So here is an example of this. Is actually the campaign. Clicks almost 12,000. So 12,000 clicks. And then we have 3.7 million impressions. 3.7 million impressions plus CTR is 0.33%. Okay, and the average cost actually had like 7 or 8 cents for one click, but that's the average one. and again, like 12,000 clicks. It cost me about 800 pounds. So it's like probably $1,100-$1,200. Okay, so let's go to creating the campaign. So here we have, let's choose new campaign. As this is the recent change, so instead of all these searches, we actually go into online video. So we clicked online video. Okay, and then we have to name it. So campaign name, just say video ads. Budget, let's say we have 15 pounds a day. Delivery method, I usually choose accelerated, as I want ads to be shown without evenly, especially with this low cost. So we need to make sure that you get that. United States, language English is okay. Now here is what we have to do is we have to select the video. So I go in, and actually I have already the link from my other account. So let's say I choose this video, and I basically video URL choose here. Instead of channel, I just choose video URL. Go. Here is this video. So I press on it, I click on it, and here is. So let's go into the specification of what exactly we have here. All right, so we have in search, as you can see, in the normal searches as you saw, or this one. All right, so let's first of all, we have this video, and let's put the headline. Let's have the way the video actually would be. So shown. So headline. Let's say I have in just 3 minutes. Formula to online success for home-based business. As you can see, I'm just putting it up as an example. Home-based business. Yeah, and we do capitalize everywhere except like 2 and 4, so it looks nicer. Okay. Now usually like watch now probably won't be recognized because it's an action, or click here, for example. Probably watch now it's okay, but click here won't be allowed. So whenever it's not allowed, there will be just not showing the ads. So watch now, and then I can choose the thumbnails, whichever I want. So let's keep this one, and here's the display URL. So let's say I want to use my own website, Clickable, and this is where the destination URL is. And video ad name is first video. First ad, for example. All right. Here's an interesting thing. So in search is when you search on YouTube and then it shows. We have in Slate, which is basically a long videos, and we have those before the video starts. We have all these ads. So maybe it's in ours and also somebody else's video. Then we have in display, means next to the video. When you watch the video, it's next to it. And then in stream is like in this, for example.
In order for you to succeed or to make any transformation, you need to know 2 things: what to do and how to do it.
Okay, so that's basically we skip the ad. So whenever the video plays, before the video starts, our advertising is in there for a few seconds, and then they can skip it. All right, so here is, as you can see, ad formats and networks. If I choose not automatic, but let me choose, here is I can choose networks, so YouTube videos, YouTube display network, and YouTube search. So YouTube search is whenever we type search into YouTube. Google Display Network is where it's on Google AdSense, basically on anywhere on the websites where we have AdSense installed, somebody else's website, and they allow us to show video ads. It will be there, or YouTube video ads. So I want to make sure that, like, it's probably everything, but I can choose also, for example, like I don't really want this because there's other ads in there, but I'll just keep it, everything. But I can uncheck, and then
in order for you to succeed or to make any
okay, and you can see if I uncheck in Slate, it actually shows which one are not there. So like if I check this, it shows that these ones are unselected now. YouTube videos to Google network. Okay, so you choose whatever you want, and then let's go to the next one, which is attribute. This is really important. So we can send them to a watch page, basically where all the videos are, or we can send them to a channel page that sends people to your channel with that video on top, but within your channel means all your videos will be displayed next to it. Okay, so let's choose that. We can also companion banner, so basically it's in-stream ads. And again, you see the colors. So this is basically where whenever we have an ad, and maybe let's say this one, if we have a,
But they do stuff like that. You've been in.
Let me just see if I can find any. I think it's trailers mainly. I'll show you where exactly this goes. Okay, yeah, okay. So here is. This is the ad. So your ad will actually go there. So companion banner, in-stream ads. As you saw, in-stream is there.
In order for you to succeed or to make any transformation, you need to know two things: what to do and how to do it. Pretty obvious, right? But
okay, so as you can see, if I click, it's on the, it shows red, but here is. So this video ad formats allows you to promote a video ad before, in the middle, or after short or long form videos on YouTube or Google Display Network. Let me see. For example, a second will be charged when the viewer has completed watching it, and a 60-second ad will be charged, and a 30-second mark. You will also be charged when the viewer clicked the ad. Okay, so in the ad itself, and plus the image ad, the companion banner. So basically you can select one of those. I actually have uploaded myself some of it. So if you choose if you choose in-stream and then you choose companion banner, it will show the video ad in there, but also on the right hand side you will have a ad picture that will send people to a specific to that website. Okay, and then schedule date, device targeting. It really doesn't really matter because you can still have those. Okay, so let's say save and continue. Okay, and now we have selecting bidding and audiences. So what we do typically 14 to 14 or 70p, but what we do is, let's try this one. Target people who are watching. And actually here, as you can see, it shows how many predictable views a day. So demographics, this is mainly for content network if it's not the search. But let's say we target the people who are searching. So we can also uncheck the target people who are watching the content. But let's say we target who are searching. So we add the keyword list. Right. So what we do is we go in our account, copy, and then paste. Here it is. So we have all these keywords done. Actually, let me just see to make sure. It's pasted. Okay, and then save targeting group. And here we have all these keywords and ads in here. Here is, by the way, something went wrong. So we didn't add the keyword, the YouTube keywords. So let's go into targets, add those keywords. I'll paste it in. Okay, and now when I do that, I just have to press basically to the right because it doesn't recognize, and or enter at the bottom, and it shows me all those ads. So if I press, this is basically the keywords we added. So I said add all, and plus there's related keywords, and we can actually do those. So add all, and it adds, it should be adding because I think they already add in there. Home business ideas, maybe somewhere here. Okay, let's check. Ideas. Okay, home business, home-based business ideas. Okay, it's all there. So we have add YouTube search keywords. Okay, so here are all the YouTube search keywords. They already entered, and basically the ads will be shown when the keyword, for example, in the search, when the keyword is typed into YouTube search field, or if we have, let's say, as I said, videos with specific showing, for example, showing here, as you can see, recommended. Actually, there will be ads, but when we have video here, it will be based on the keyword that this video is related to. So, for example, if I watch The Hobbit, and there is ads here, it will be because the video itself has something to do with the keyword that is in here, that we typed in. Okay, so that's about it. We just created consistent every like an expert video ad, basically 3-minute challenge, how to succeed in business. Only limited statistics are available for this video. The corresponding YouTube account is not linked to your AdWords account. Okay, it's irrelevant. But basically, we can link YouTube, and when they are both, when the two accounts are the same, AdWords and YouTube account, there's more statistics apparently. Okay, so we just created this, as you can see, all the campaigns, and if we look at all the campaigns, let me just see if the video is separate. A little bit confusing because you have all these campaigns, and then you have all video campaigns. So if I press video campaigns, it actually directs me to this something different. So video ads here, and you can see all those statistics here. All right, so we've created this already, this ad, and we can just put new video ad here. We can select the video and then targeting again, blah blah blah. Right now, if we go back to what we tend to do, so find the keywords, create the AdWords campaign, and then create external links on YouTube videos. Alright, so let's go back to this account, and first of all, here is, this is my account, so all these videos here, and just because I've made this video now promotable, if I just click edit, as you can see, basic information, advanced settings, and then also call to action overlay. Okay, now just to show you that this video doesn't have that video on the page.
In order for you to succeed or to make any transformation,
okay, as you can see, there is no ad in there. If I go to call to action overlay, and if I type just anything, all right, so again, intending to people have to actually click on this, they would be driven to click, so I have to create something that clickable. So make money in 3 minutes. Okay, download the formula for successful home-based business. Get it here, and then we say image URL. So I actually use, sometimes I already have of it, Okay, Way by Ray book 56. So as you can see, if it's 56 pixels, so we actually have to find, you know, video or picture, or we find it on Google. So we can do this, for example, image.google.com, and we can say, for example, money. And if I do search, I can also go into exact any size, so exactly 56, and I can do the search. So let's say I want to have this in there. So I choose open image in a new tab. Oops, and something went wrong. My it closed. Alright, so 56 again. 56. This would never really happens. Crashed on Mac. Well, it happens sometimes, but not always. So if I go to, let's say I have this image, so I just got this URL, and now I go back to the video.
In order for you to succeed or to make any
Nope, thank you. Alright, if I go to call to action overlay, you can see because it crashed, I have to basically put everything in again. So I'll just add something randomly. Okay, so image URL, I'm pasting this, then URL, what will be there, raykapuska.com, and then I can send to any, like, for example, http .raykapuska.com/ easy video, for example. You know, as Ray Kapuska, it only has to be the end URL that the click would actually open the page. So we can choose any, but it has to be the same. Even if we use, for example, affiliate link, it can be just like clickbank, blah blah blah, but then, you know, it lands on homebasebusiness.com, for example. Okay, so save changes, and now if I go on this and refresh it, so it opens up.
in order
That's
for you
it.
to
That's it. Buy them as a bespoke, and if I click it, it goes to easy Ray Kapuska easy video. Hey, that's how easy it is. Okay. Right. So any questions now? First of all, another thing is that I showed this in Google AdWords, but there's another possibility that we can do, which is we can have this in YouTube account itself. So if I go to this page, promote, we can do the same thing. The difference is it's actually a little bit different. For example, if I go to British pound sterling and how much you want to spend, so let's say I want $15, 15 pounds, sorry, and then if I go back, you see that there isn't really much choice in here. So like I can, choose differently, but overall, 1, 2, 3. If I continue, you see, since YouTube video ads are managed through Google AdWords for video, next you will need to sign up for or log in into your AdWords account. As you can see, it goes like, oh, we need to maximum amount to be charged, etc., etc. So all these is just, I think it just makes it more complicated, and there's not really much of a choice that we can have in this than in the Google AdWords account. So here it is, right? So all these steps is, first of all, for the 1 cent click video ads, and then putting your putting your external links to your website on the YouTube videos itself. All right, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can go to Ray Kapuska. I'll actually email. I'll have this page. So raykapuska.com. You can just sign up. If you have any questions, just let me know, or you can actually visit my Facebook and just connect with me on Facebook. raykapuska.com. Yeah, so Facebook, ray.kapuska.com. Alright, so any questions, just let me know. Keyword suggestion tool, It generates a lot of keywords. Creating campaigns is really easy, just choosing the video ad, a video campaign, then creating and choosing the video ad, the text for that, and then choosing all the different places where you can advertise your video. And if you put 1 cent a click, that's it. Okay, so this is Ray from Ray Animation, and I'm gladly answer any questions if you have. And if you have any problems, just send me an email, and or Facebook, connect me through Facebook, and we can take this forward. All right, so this is Ray, and have a nice day.